I am Glory, and in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to map out that form with Zoho CRM. Okay, so that means anybody that is filling that form, whatever that form is, it will be mapped, the details will be mapped out automatically to Zoho CRM. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so one last thing we need to do is we need to map out this form to Zoho CRM. And I use Zoho 1, so I have everything in my Zone 1 account. So I am currently in the CRM, and I am going to be using the CRM to collect every information that comes in through that particular form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into integrations. So when I get to integration, I want to be able to integrate with Zoho CRM. You can integrate with any of this, and you can pick whichever one you want. But we are going to be using Zoho CRM. So I'm going to click on integrate. Then I want to pick the module I want to use. So for now, I'll be picking leads. Yeah, I want to use leads, and I am going to be selecting the layout, which is standard. Okay. So we have two compulsory fields when it comes to the lead module. We have the company and we have the last name. Now there's something I need to do. Okay, I need to create the field in the form. I need to create them inside Zoho CRM so that I can be able to map it out. If a particular field is in the form and not in the CRM, you will not be able to map out that field. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead into Zoho CRM, and I want to go to the settings. Then I want to go into the modules and fields. I'm going to be using the lead module. So let me click on the layout. You understand that. Then I want to edit the layout. So for this part, we have in Zoho CRM, I believe we have the company name already in the form. So we are mapping the company with the company name. And we're mapping the last name with the last name here. So let me check in the older ones that we need to work on. So the email is definitely in Zoho CRM. Then we have the phone, the industry. Then I just need to put in the current email marketing I need to put in the current email marketing platform. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go over to Zoho CRM, and I'm going to create a field. Now there's something you can do. You can use the single line method to collect leads from checkbox and from drop down on the form. So I'm going to be using the single line method to make it easy and not complicate things. So if I click on this, I have that already. So if I paste it in, we have that lead, and I'm going to be dragging in another single line, and I am going to be creating. Okay, I am going to be creating. The next one is going to be my current CRM system. And if my current CRM system is um, going to be on my Zoho CRM. Okay, so I copy this in here, and we have that. So I'll make sure I save this. Then come over here. Okay, so we have this as set as mandatory. Then want to add in more fields. We have the first name in Zoho CRM, and we have the first name on the form. We have the phone. We have the phone in CRM, and we have the phone in um, Zoho Forms. Then we have the industry. We should have industry. Okay, so we have the industry in uh, in Zoho CRM, and we have the industry in here. So they want to make sure that we map out the current CRM process. System. It is not in Zoho CRM yet because we have not refreshed this page. Then I want to refresh this. Yep. Then I can be able to find my field. Yeah, my CRM. Yeah. So the current CRM system, then we are going to map it out with the current CRM system here. So as you can see, it is mapped out. And also want to do for email marketing. So for email marketing, the current email marketing platform, so want to map it out with the one on the form and want to map it out with this. So I think we have all the fields here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's like I'm missing something, or am I not? Okay, we have the company name, the last name. Yeah, I'm missing the most important field, which is the email. So I'm going to map out the email in CRM and email in, yeah. So I am going to integrate that. Now you want to do something. In case you have any workflow rules or you have any automation done in Zoho CRM, you want to check this so that your workflow rules can be triggered. So now I'm going to check this, then I'm going to send attachments. Yeah, so I'm going to use the default template. Done. So any attachment or signature, we actually don't have that, but just to do that, we don't have any approval. Then we want to, yeah, if it already exists, we want to offset this record. Then we are going to be looking at email. So if there's a current email in Zoho CRM, all this will do is just to update it. So we want to override the field value in Zoho CRM with empty field values from Zoho Forms. Why offsetting this form? The answer is no, we don't want to. This means is that for every field in Zoho CRM, if a blank field is coming from the form, do you want to make the blank field also to appear in Zoho CRM? The answer is no. We want to leave it the way it is. So we click on done, and that is all. So if there's any assignment rule, I want to also trigger that. And there is no assignment rule in my CRM, so we are good to go. Okay, so we want to tag this record, and actually I don't think that is necessary, but you can tag according to the field you have created, or you can create a field and call it tag, then hide that field. So you can do that also. So I am going to integrate this. Yep. This is how to integrate Zoho Forms into Zoho CRM. So the next step is for me to create is to fill out that form and see how everything works out. Okay, so now that I have mapped out my Zoho Forms detail into Zoho CRM, I want to go over into the form on my website, and I want to fill in this form and I want to submit this form and see how that goes and see how the lead is created. Okay, so for instance, I want to put in my name, so I'm going to call this Hest. Wait, yes, sorry. Then my industry, I am into technology. My current email marketing platform is HubSpot. Then my current CRM is Zoho CRM. Then I want to click on submit. So now this form has been submitted, and remember we did this in the settings. We can add in a new response, we can edit the response we just gave, and we can download our response as a PDF. So whichever one you want um your leads to do, then you can insert that in the settings I showed you the other time. So the next thing you want to do is to come over to Zoho CRM and look for the new lead we just submitted. So I'm going to go over to lead, and as you can see, our new lead is currently in Zoho CRM. Yeah. So I hope I've been able to pass this knowledge across. Um, Please do reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you want to set up this and you have issues setting it up. I can be able to put you through. And also, um once again, my name is Glory. Please like my video, share, and just subscribe to get more of this. So if you want more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, see you in the next video.